Good morning, everybody. We're going to make a really yummy Instant Pot chocolate chip zucchini banana bread / cake. It's between a cake and a bread, and it's really good. I've made it once before, but I never did a YouTube on it. So I thought today, well, I would try it. So here we go. I'm going to put everything in the description box below so you'll have it. So I've got 1 cup of water in my steel pot already. Okay, got all my ingredients here so I can put it on the computer. In a medium bowl, which we have right here, you want to put bananas, either 2 small or 1 large. And I put 2 small. And put that in. And you want to have shredded zucchini. I couldn't get my shredder, so I just put it in my little mixer. That here. And all the measurements will be in the description box below. I'm flipping through pages here so I don't forget. And we need the egg. 1 egg going in. I dabbed a little flour in it because I spilled some flour all over the place this morning. And we're going to have half a cup of oil, just like that. So what we're going to do after we get that done is we are going to just kind of mix it, stir it in. Just kind of stir it all together, just incorporate it. Just like that. Just so you can see, just like that. Okay, then we're going to stir in, but you don't want to overmix it. We're going to put in the sugars. We have white sugar, half a cup. Half a cup of brown sugar, and if your sugar's hard, you can put it in the microwave for about a minute or so, depending on how much you're doing. Or when I open a bag, I put a loaf of bread, just little tips. Okay, we have the 2 cups of sugar. And then we've got baking soda, baking powder, and some salt. And 1½ cups of flour. And you don't want to overmix this, okay? Because if you overmix it, it won't rise and it won't come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gently going to mix it in till we can't see any white flour or anything like that. And then at the very end, we're just going to add some chocolate chips in. This will be yummy for breakfast tomorrow. Don't want to overmix it, but you want to get that flour incorporated all in so you can't see the flour. I hope everybody's having a good day today. Here in Maine, it's in the low 40s. Yesterday it was 52. It felt so good. But, hey, you never know. Wait 5 minutes and the weather changes here. Just about got that all mixed in. Like I said, I don't want to overmix it. Said do not overmix. But don't want any flour showing. That's a beautiful dough right there. And then what they're saying is you take mini chocolate chips. Well, guess what? Ray got me chocolate chips and they were regular. So I just downed them. It's supposed to be ½ cup. This isn't quite ½ cup. I don't know. Sometimes he reads the instructions, but he don't think when he gets something. I should be thankful that he does get things for me though, where I cannot get out. So there you have it, right there. Now I mix these all in good. I want to overmix again. Just make sure they're in. It's going to be good right there. Isn't that a beautiful batter? We're using the 6 quart, and it's the IP/LUX. We're going to hit manual for 60 minutes. Now I'm using an Angel food pan. You can use whatever will fit in your Instant Pot. I have had so many people ask when I use this, what size pan are you using? So I have the ruler out. This pan is about, it says 9 inches. Get it here. Now we're gonna go 8 inches. 8 inches right there. So there you have it, folks, 8 inches. I use a sling with heavy foil, and then I take the heavy foil and wrap it 3 times. Use a sling to put down into your Instant Pot. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this batter in. You need to spray your pan, whatever you choose. Now they say you can use a bundt pan. I was gonna use a round pan, but last time I used this pan and it worked well. Like I always say, if it works, continue using it. Like they say, if it's broke, don't fix it. If it's broke, what is it? I don't know, I can't remember. I always get things mixed up. Maybe that's why they call me MAINEiac Grammie. Okay. Get all this in. You know, I was thinking as I just did this little bit, wonder if you put a little bit of walnuts and cinnamon in. I don't know, I'm just thinking. I'm thinking as I go. And sometimes I'll do a recipe a couple of times and then I'll alternate something because I want to change it up to Grammie's way. But like I said, all the information will be in the description box below. And this looks good. And it says you should cover it with aluminum foil. Well, hey folks, not everybody has aluminum foil. So I'm covering it with a little dinner plate or a little salad plate. Just like that. Nothing fancy. And this is how it's going in. Just like this. Now, you want to make sure your seal is in good, because if not, the cover won't close. And the vent, my vent happens to be right here. You want this in the middle to start developing steam. It takes about 10 minutes. So then when you want to put the cover on, the cover's going to sing to you. Did you hear it singing? And then you want to vent it in the middle. Getting flour all over today. Excuse me. Then you want to hit the manual button, and you want to hit it for 60 minutes. And there I'm having it. I'm going to let it go for 60 minutes. Then when it beeps, you want to take it out, and you want it to sit for 10 minutes. And there you have it, right there, 60 minutes. It's going to start venting in just a few minutes. There it goes, it's starting to vent. So we'll see you back in just a little while. Hi there, I'm back and it is done. Doesn't that look beautiful? It really does. It's a dense cake. No moisture got on, which is a good thing. So we're going to cut it. It's still a little bit warm. Ray's working late tonight and I'm hungry. So I'm making a casserole later. So let's have a little piece. I'm going to have a little piece and we'll cut into it. And we'll see how it is. Should have got my cake server. Oh, that looks good. Again, it is dense. A good way to check your cake is you want to, let me pick this up, put a toothpick or a skew, which I use a skew, in, and if it comes out and there's nothing on it, it's clean. I do it in a couple of spots. You see, there's nothing on it, it's done. Gave it a nice brown little golden color. Here it is when I sliced into it. Doesn't that look good? So, let me get a piece of paper towel here, as I normally make a mess. And before I go any farther, guess what? It's shout out time. And the shout out time this week is going to Lois Unboxing and Gardening, and I'll put her link down below. She has wonderful YouTube videos. She likes gardening. Her husband likes to go fishing. She'll show you her garden and she'll walk you through. She does a lot of different things in her garden. She likes Pioneer Woman dishware. She just has a great channel. She's got a great personality, so go on over. She shares her grandchildren, what they're doing, how they help her in the garden. So again, the shout out goes to Lois, and her link's in the description box below. So let's do a test here. Looks yummy. I like anything that's got chocolate in it. Fantastic flavor. Really pick up the chocolate. Probably the mini ones would have done just as well as the large, but the large seems to be working fine. This tastes very good. So please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize there's a lot going on here at MAINEiac Grammie's Homestead. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.